Surfing's basically a lifestyle, eh? Like, if I go to that, I come in, everything, just your energy and everything's increased, eh? Your holder, everything just feels on a different level. You just feel connected, and it's just way better for your, we walk down this big hill every day, 5 times a day, spend 8 hours in the water, and it's definitely real good for my physical health and as well as my mental well-being. If I'm ever in a sorrow mood or if I'm feeling down, I just find the best thing to do, just get in the ocean, and straight away it just increases my happiness, and I feel 100 times better, no matter what it is, whether or not my girlfriend dumped me, or if I lost my dog, or if anything's bad's going on. As long as I jump in that ocean, it feels like everything, I just forget about it and my head just clears up. I've made so many of my meanest mates, I met them through surfing. Like, we got this Raglan Surf Academy thing here. This random person from Invercargill moved up randomly to come move to our school and surf here. Now we're like, he's living at my house now. He's moved in with me because surfing brought us together. He's one of my best mates for sure. Like, out of everyone, he's definitely one of the people who I know have my back the most. Surfing is like something we can just go do every day together, and it's like, yeah bro, we made it, we're chilling.